ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ନାଲି କଲର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ବଟନ ଭିଡିଓ ତଳେ ଦେଖୁଥିବେ ତାକୁ ଦାବନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଭିଡିଓରେ ମଜା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ତେଣୁ ଡେରି କରନ୍ତୁନି, ନାଲି କଲର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ବଟନକୁ ଦାବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନକୁ ଦାବି ସବୁ ଭିଡିଓକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଜଲ୍ଦି ନାଲି କଲର ବଟନକୁ ଦାବନ୍ତୁ, ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି।
Hello! Hey guys! New music video album Jana Jana has been released on YouTube and I just watched it. Seriously, I had a knock over my heart. Tremendous job by the entire team. I like to wish the team all the very best. And you know the special thing is? The special thing is it has been acted by my most close friends, Jyoti Prakash and Mansi. They acted so well, for that I felt so well. And I hope when you will watch, you will feel the same. So do watch right now Jana Jana on YouTube. Do like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Love you so much. Have a good day and a happy new year.